Hello and welcome to Tool Lab. We're here to show you the coolest modern tools. Today we'll guide you through our favorite picks that work great for both pros and DIY fans, making your projects easier than ever. ToughBuilt Knife Scraper is a handy 2-in-1 tool that switches between a knife and a scraper with the push of a button. Flip it one way and you've got a scraper. Flip it back and it's a sharp knife again. This smart design saves room in your toolbox and makes your jobs quicker. In scraper mode, it tears through old paint, caulk, and stickers. Perfect for cleaning up windows, mirrors, and tile surfaces. Switch to knife mode, and you can slice through carpet, cardboard, plastic, and rope without any fuss. The ToughBuilt Knife Scraper uses standard blades, and you get 5 spare blades in the package that fit most utility knives. Swapping blades is a breeze. Just press the release button and slide in a fresh one. The rubberized handle gives you a solid, non-slip grip, even if your hands are sweaty. There's also a built-in finger guard to keep you safe from accidental cuts. It comes with a paint can opener and a lanyard hole, so you can hang it up or tether it to your belt for easy access. Wolfcraft log holder makes cutting firewood fast and safe. With this setup, you can hold logs up to 1 meter long and saw them down to 25 centimeters or 35 centimeters pieces, without worrying about balancing them on your knee or shaky supports. The holder grips each log firmly, so you can concentrate on guiding your saw rather than fighting slipping wood. A built-in stop keeps flying chunks from damaging your work area. Thanks to its clever folding design, you can set up or pack away the sawmill and log holder in seconds. It's lightweight and portable, ideal for taking to your cottage or on a camping trip, yet rock solid when in use, so it won't wobble or tip over. If you cut firewood often, the Wolfcraft 60 setup is a must-have for safer, quicker, and more convenient wood cutting. The set of 3 ClipTech Hubs is made to handle tough jobs. They come with strong steel pivot pins, so they're built to last. Thanks to ClipTech's smart design, you can easily mix and match pouches, holsters, and loops, depending on what your task needs. You can quickly attach these hubs to any ClipTech belt, pouch, or organizer, and even mount them on a wall or beam. That means you can keep your tools and bags right where you need them, whether you're wearing them on your belt, working in the garage, at a job site, or loading up your van. It's a great setup for anyone who needs their tools organized and ready to go, no matter the job. This compact adapter is a lifesaver when you need to drive a screw in a cramped spot where a normal drill just won't fit. It hooks onto any drill and turns it into a right-angle driver, so you can work in tight corners without fuss. It comes with a 3-inch bit that has a square tip and a built-in magnet to grab each screw by the head. That magnet keeps the screw in place so you don't drop it, even when you're upside down or working at weird angles. And thanks to its 90-degree bend, you can reach those hard-to-get places and still keep the bit perfectly aligned for smooth, confident screw driving every time. Bosch Home and Garden Workbench is a handy fold-up bench that keeps any project firmly in place. Thanks to its clever folding design, you can open or collapse it in seconds, ideal when you're working in a cramped area. The tabletop is made from tough, water-resistant bamboo, so it lasts a long time and is kind to the planet. You can clamp pieces up to 35 millimeters deep and 85 millimeters wide, and it includes 4 clamps to hold even tricky shapes securely. With a strong 200-kilogram load capacity, this workbench handles heavy items easily, making it a must-have for any home workshop. Knuckle Saver knife is a roofer's best friend, thanks to its special handle that keeps your fingers safe every time you cut. The aluminum body makes it both light to carry and tough enough to last, while the stainless steel blade stays sharp, strong, and won't rust. At 8 inches long, it's just the right size, not too big to get in your way, and not too small to do the job. It's a smart, reliable tool that brings safety and speed to every roofing project. A forklift for tractors from Vevor is a heavy-duty attachment that can lift up to 4,000 pounds with ease. It fits most tractors and skid steers alike. Each fork is 43 inches long and 4 inches wide, giving you plenty of surface area to carry big loads. Setting it up is a breeze. Slide the forks into your machine's bucket, tighten a single screw, and you're ready to go. You'll also find built-in chain holes and safety slots to lock your cargo in place while you move it. Made of solid steel and finished with a tough, rust-resistant powder coat, this attachment is built to stand up to years of hard work. Milwaukee M12 is a high-performance flashlight made for color checking and fine detail work. It lets you copy natural daylight at any hour, whether it's dawn, noon, or even a cloudy afternoon, thanks to its 5 adjustable color settings. With a color accuracy score over 98 out of 100, you'll spot every tiny flaw in paint finishes, including the smallest metallic specks. This light can shine as bright as 1,100 lumens and keeps going for up to 15 hours on one battery. It's small and easy to handle, and its magnetic base lets you stick it to metal surfaces for hands-free use. Built tough to hold up in busy paint shops, it resists the chemicals you commonly work with, making it a dependable tool for pros. ToughBuilt Tool Bag is all about giving you maximum space and perfect organization for your toughest jobs. With 40 pockets and loops, it keeps every screwdriver, wrench, and accessory right where you need it. The flexible outer pockets are shaped to hold tools snugly, and the heavy-duty zippers keep everything safe inside. Thanks to its patented wide mouth opening, you get the biggest, easiest to access main compartment out there. Built with a rigid, waterproof shell, the bag holds its shape without weighing you down, and the grippy, durable wheels roll smoothly over both flat and bumpy ground. Saker multifunctional marking tool is way more than just a pencil. It's built from tough, rust-proof aluminum alloy, so it feels light in your hand but won't bend or break. You can use it to draw straight, parallel lines or perfect curves. There's a clear ruler built right in, and once you set it where you want, it locks tight so you get the same measurement every time. This handy gadget handles over 16 jobs, from marking tiles and drywall to laying out panels or sketching out furniture cuts. It writes on almost any surface, even in damp or rough spots, making it a go-to for pros and DIYers alike. Whether you're tiling a bathroom, installing shelves, or building a custom cabinet, the Saker multifunctional marking tool keeps your lines accurate and your work moving smoothly. Extreme Power improved gasoline-powered cord drill starts with a 51.7 cubic centimeter engine that puts out about 1.8 horsepower, so it can chew through even the hardest ground. Its upgraded gearing runs more smoothly and extends the life of the tool, and it's built to be kinder to the environment. You'll get a steady, non-slipping hold thanks to the special butterfly-style handles, and the spring-loaded shock absorber cuts down on vibration for a more comfortable working experience. It ships with a 150mm carbide-tipped drill bit that's ready for most jobs, and if you need other sizes, extra bits are sold separately. Martin's Industries' professional 33-ton swinging jack takes the hard work out of lifting heavy vehicles. No more pumping by hand. Just press a button on its air-powered hydraulic pump and watch it lift smoothly and effortlessly. With a low profile that slips under anything with at least 8.6 inches of clearance, it's much safer than your average floor jack. You also get 3 extra extensions that let you raise your truck or heavy equipment as high as 21 inches. The built-in carry handle makes it a breeze to move around the shop or job site. If you're dealing with big rigs or heavy machines every day, this jack is a total game changer. Strong, easy to use, super safe, and built to keep going mile after mile. Woodpecker's Duax system makes drilling with pinpoint accuracy simple, even when you need to work at different angles. Thanks to its clever guide positioning and built-in angle scale, you can switch from one angle to another in seconds without guessing. Built from strong anodized aluminum alloy, it stays rock steady and won't wear out easily. Whether you're joining pieces with studs or dovetails, the Duax system handles both with ease, and the included clamps keep your workpiece and table firmly in place. In short, this adjustable drilling table helps you drill quickly and accurately at almost any angle. No fuss, no guesswork. DeWalt DW0150 is a small, handy tool that you'll love for any repair or building work, where you need to locate wooden or metal studs hidden in walls. Its center-fine technology helps you quickly and accurately pinpoint the middle of the stud, making it easy to mark where to put up shelves, fixtures, or other items. It works on both wood and metal, detecting studs up to 1.5 inches deep, and it even helps spot hidden electrical wires for extra safety. The design is simple and lightweight, fitting comfortably in your hand, and includes a built-in guide to quickly mark your work. With automatic calibration and both visual and sound signals to show you where the studs are, it's straightforward to use. Running on ALEA batteries, the DeWalt DW0150 is built to be both practical and reliable. CLAWVERINE mount from Prime Grip is built using the same tough steel you'd find in military gear, and it's 30% thicker than your average mount, so it gives you extra strength and leverage. It's tough on the job, resisting scratches and bending even under heavy use. What really sets it apart is its patented head, which packs 6 different ways to pull nails. You've got the classic drop-shaped claw for everyday jobs, plus an all-new flat claw that slides under shingles or waterproof layers without tearing them up, saving you from buying extra materials. In short, CLAWVERINE mount brings together military-grade strength, clever design, and practical savings, all in one easy-to-use tool. Portable bearing packer from SETI makes greasing your bearings quick and mess-free. Just load the tool with grease. Any standard grease gun cartridge will work. Then set your bearing inside the chamber. Pull the white lever, and the old grease gets pushed out while fresh grease is forced in. It handles bearings up to 3.6 inches across, so it fits almost any wheel or axle bearing on your vehicle. Made of tough plastic and weighing next to nothing, it's easy to carry to your garage or any job site. Bosch JS260 Electric Jigsaw, a high-powered cutting tool that makes your jobs faster and cleaner. It packs a 6-amp motor that spins blades up to 3,100 RPM, so you can slice through wood, plastic, or metal with ease. What's great about this jigsaw is its easy speed control. There's a dial to set your top speed and a simple trigger gas pedal to fine-tune as you cut. The blade holder grips standard T-shank blades securely, and you can swap blades in seconds without any extra tools thanks to the keyless release. Need more versatility? Choose from 4 orbital settings, gentle for smooth curves, or aggressive for fast, rough cuts. Plus, the built-in blower clears away sawdust so you always see exactly where you're cutting. Whether you're doing delicate detail work or tackling bigger projects, the JS260 gives you the control and power to get it done right. Have you ever struggled to tighten a nut or bolt in a spot so cramped your hand won't fit? Ever wasted time taking things apart just to get your tool in place? The Tight Reach extension clamp solves those problems. Thanks to its 10-inch length, you can easily work in tight spaces where other tools can't reach. Its clamp-style jaws grip the nut or bolt securely, so you don't risk dropping and losing small parts. Made from tough steel, it stands up to heavy use, even on big compression clamps. The adjustable jaws open to just over 1 1/8 inches, letting you clamp onto nuts or bolts up to 3/4 inch across. With this clamp, you'll save time and hassle whenever you're working in hard-to-reach areas. We hope you enjoyed this review. Subscribe for more content, hit the like button, and tell us which tool impressed you the most.